Welcome to the heart of modern manufacturing. Businesses require more than just labor and equipment to remain competitive, but also need a complete manufacturing ERP system. Optimize production and inventory management. Dufort Manufacturing ERP optimizes production and inventory, ensuring smooth operations with real-time tracking and automated replenishment. Quality management and supply chain management. Quality management maintains product excellence and control processes and deviation management, while supply chain management ensures seamless material flow from procurement to distribution. Bill of material BOM management and cost estimation management. BOM streamlines production by defining product structures, while cost estimation and job costing enhance cost control and profitability insights in manufacturing. Empower your manufacturing operations with Dufort Manufacturing ERP system today. Thank you for watching.